Barclays Center in New York, and I'm headed into Unpacked, which is Samsung's yearly conference where they're gonna unveil a bunch of new products. So let's head inside and see what they're unveiling.
All new Galaxy Note 9. So we gave Note 9 a cutting-edge 10nm processor, dual aperture smartphone camera. Because when it comes to capturing a great photo, there's almost nothing more important than light. Just like your eye, Note 9's camera adapts to your environment. And thanks to its super speed, dual pixel image sensor, Note 9 comes with super slow-mo, which lets you make everyday moments epic by slowing them down to a fraction of a second.
So we're currently out for lunch with the whole team, and we just got our brand new phones that we're going to be trying out. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the day, and I'm actually going on a really fun adventure with my new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So they challenged me to show you guys what my idea of power is, and so I had the fun idea of taking helicopter lessons. So we're going to hop in a car, go a bit north of New York, and go learn how to fly a helicopter. So we're headed to the helicopter right now. I'm going to go learn how to fly it. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also very excited. So that orange guy over there, and we're gonna go on a little ride. We're here, and I'm going to learn how to fly this guy around New York City, which is such a cool place to learn how to fly a helicopter. Buckled in, and we're ready to go.
Let's do a couple checks, make sure everything's good.
I'm excited.
I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head going wilder. Really scaring me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
I flew my first helicopter. That was really empowering and such a cool experience. And so, yeah, this is my little ride right here. We're gonna head now back into the city and continue exploring New York. Okay, so it's been about an hour. We basically drove back from that airport. It was the Wilchester Airport, and then we went to the Lower East Side, which is our new hotel that we're staying in. So this is Hotel on Rivington. It's a really cool kind of boutique hotel that has a really neat vibe. So I thought I would do a quick room tour before we start messing things up. You walk in the door, you got some cool art, got a nice little couch, dun dun dun. It's really open and modern and very spacious. We have a nice deck here. We can have our morning coffee on that overlooks a bit of the city, and then the bathroom in here. The shower, you can also shower as you're looking at the city. But I think we're gonna get something to eat because we're both quite hungry, and yeah, I'm excited for our New York adventure to begin. So I just changed for our first kind of day out in the city, and so this bodysuit is from Forever 21. This jean skirt I got at the Melrose Trading Post. Got my Ray-Ban glasses on, and then these necklaces, which are from a Topshop. We've made it out of the house and onto the streets of New York City, and I was just telling Jen, I'm like, I'm pretty sure I have like a pretty decent New York accent. Guys, no, okay, I'm not gonna do it. It's fine. Do it. No. We found a Mexican restaurant, which is actually what I was craving. I've been having this really intense craving for fish tacos, and so this one is called El Sombrero, New York City. Cheers. Oh my gosh. And we have the main course. I have my fish tacos. We have some fajitas. We're headed to Soho. We're gonna do a bit of shopping for maybe like an hour or two and then head back to the hotel. So we just left the cab because traffic's literally so bad that it's just like not worth it. But we're walking to Soho right now and we came across the cookie dough place that I've seen all over Instagram that basically has edible cookie dough. So, oh my god. We're doing it, okay. Layers of cookie dough with ice cream in between. That is so good.
my god.
Made it to the center of Soho. Alrighty, and I am back at the hotel. So I thought I would do a bit of a haul. So first thing I got is some perfume. This is the Love perfume from Victoria's Secret. I ran out of my other stuff, and then this little top is from H&M. Just one of those like kind of stretchy shirts. Got these shorts also from H&M, and then I went into Zara. I picked up this shirt and it in green and in black because it was literally $5. Comfy, just like a basic t-shirt. But anyways, I'm gonna go meet up with my 2 childhood friends who live here. So we're gonna go have a little girls' day. They both live in New York, so I'm hoping they'll have a bit of a plan of what we should do. Okay, so I'm back, I would say downtown, but I'm not. I honestly don't know where I am. But I'm here with my best friend Taylor, and her and I have been best friends for a long time. She actually lives in New Jersey, and so whenever I come to the city, she makes her way in and we hang out, and it's just a grand old time. So I'm trying to walk and vlog at the same time. This is not safe. But we're going to Tacoma right now. We're gonna meet up with Brooke. So we've just arrived at Tacoma, which is a really good Mexican place. We just got our food. The food here is seriously so good. So we just stopped off for ice cream at this really famous ice cream shop called Ben Lumen. Thank you so much. So we tried to go to the Natural History Museum, and there was the longest lineup I've ever seen in my life to try and get in. So we're not gonna do that because basically it is raining today. It's absolutely pouring, and so everyone's trying to go inside and do indoor activities. But what we're actually gonna do right now is take a train, and we're gonna go to Chinatown and explore that area. We've made it to Chinatown. We're just walking around, and it's actually right next to Little Italy, so we might go get some pizza after, but there is a lot of umbrellas. Someone suggested to us to go and get massages, and so we looked at this place on Yelp that has really good reviews, but we actually just bought tickets for the Rosé Museum later, which I'm very excited about because it looks like a lot of fun, and I've heard really good things about it. All right, so we just finished our massages, and it's called Zhu Yen, and it's in Chinatown. So we've arrived in Little Italy, and we're going to go to that restaurant right there. Thank you. This looks tasty. We've just come back to our hotel. We're gonna spend like an hour or 2 here maybe, and then we're doing something extremely exciting tonight. We're going to the Rosé Mansion, which is a pop-up rosé museum that has a lot of really cool kind of like art installations and that sort of thing. I'm also gonna bring my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 to the Rosé Museum so I can take a bunch of photos and videos. What's nice about this phone as well is it has 128 gigabytes, and so you don't have to worry about it filling up. You can take endless amounts of photos and videos, which for someone like me who shoots a lot of content, that is absolutely perfect. We've arrived at the Rosé Mansion, and we were a little late. We had train issues. We literally ran like blocks from the train. I'm so warm. Also, here's Brooke. So my friend Brooke, look how trendy she looks. Oh, follow her on Instagram. Anyways, I'll leave it below, guys. We're gonna go through the rooms at a quicker pace. They were nice enough to still let us in, and we have tasters everywhere. Jen, how are you feeling? Super excited. Oh.
So this is the Maison Marcel. It comes from Provence in France. So this is the finger leg, so that's why it's like.
So there's all these themed rooms. Oh, that's fun. Hello. Ooh. Hi.
Hi. Crawl in and look up. Oh my god, get it.
Vogue. Ooh, this is like a sensory overload. So we now get to blend our own rosé. We just fill out this sheet right here and say how we like it, and they're gonna make it for us.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in, move in. A taken wind, a sun to set, and maybe we'll fall.
That was such a cool experience. I highly recommend if you're coming to New York to check out the Rosé Mansion. I was also really excited to try out all the new features on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, like the wide selfie and the slow motion. So we're gonna continue on the night and see where it takes us. Just headed downstairs away from the exhibit, and we're gonna head to the bar, which is actually open until midnight every night. And you can get a glass of rosé because they only give you little tester samples of each one, and then from there you can decide like and get a full lettuce. That's intense. Got a bottle of the
World of Wine.
World of Wine. We just arrived at a restaurant called Cookies, which is a really well-known Greek restaurant, and we just ordered a bunch of food. It's actually 11:30 at night right now, so it's kind of a late dinner, but it's our last night in New York, so we're kind of enjoying that. And then might go to this kind of cool exclusive cocktail bar after this, so we will see. But our Tzatziki just came, so we're gonna dig into that. So Brooks is taking us to this famous street that a bunch of fashion campaigns are shot on this road right here, and apparently there's like a cool hidden bar kind of in here. So we're right in Chinatown right now. This place is called the Chemist. Good morning, everyone. So it is my last and final morning in New York. I'm saying bye to Jen. I mean, we're going back to the same city, but just not on the same flight. But I've had so much fun on this trip, and I've had a lot of fun too trying out the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that I got a few days ago. The features on it are really awesome, so I'm gonna leave all the information for that linked down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. And I'm gonna sign off for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my New York City, my time in New York City, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.